Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Smart Battery Security Camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $60. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a charging cable, a bracket, screws, and an instruction manual. Thanks to the bracket, it's easy to mount the camera and you can easily change the direction. If you insert a micro SD card, you can watch video recordings with the Vico Home app. First, I fully charge the rechargeable battery. Charging time is about 10 hours and the battery lasts up to 6 months. The app is very easy to use and shows you how much power the rechargeable battery has left. Setting up the camera and connecting the camera with your Wi-Fi network is very easy. You just have to download the Vico Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions. Unfortunately, it's not a very good app. I hope they will improve it with future updates. The camera has a built-in white light which you can turn on and off in your app or automatically when a motion alarm is triggered. I tested the camera for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. The picture quality during the day and during the night is pretty good, and thanks to the rechargeable battery you don't need a power outlet and can use the camera wherever you need it. So if you are looking for an outdoor security camera with a rechargeable battery, motion detection and two-way audio, I would recommend the Smart Battery Security Camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.